Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung S10e. Now this is the budget version of the Samsung line that came out not so long ago. Now this guy here, for a budget smartphone, it's really packing a lot of feature in it that could actually make some of iPhone users change to Samsung. But now let's just jump into what this guy comes with actually. Now at the back, as you can see, it has double camera setup. They both have dual autofocus, which actually allows it to take good pictures in the dark. The first camera here is a 12 megapixel camera wide angle. The second camera is a 16 megapixel ultra wide, which gives you a bigger field of view and taking pictures. And besides it, you have the flash, as most phones actually have. Now in front you have the 5.8 Infinite O display with the hole punch on top. You also have the speaker grill here on top, which is also the earpiece. So this guy comes with dual audio. On the side you have the iconic Bixby button that most people actually don't like. You have the volume up and down button, and on the other side you have the power button, which actually comes with a fingerprint reader, which I've already set it up and it's actually quite fast. We're gonna test that out just now. In the bottom you have USB-C. This phone comes with a USB-C port. You have the speaker grill also down there, and you have a microphone jack. This is a 3.5mm microphone jack, which most phones nowadays actually don't come with this guy. Now if you jump quickly on the inside of this phone, you have wireless charging. You have Snapdragon 855. Now remember, this is a budget smartphone, but the features that I'm already telling you guys actually are features that actually come in flagship phone. So you have the wireless charging here. You have a 3100 milliamp battery inside, which can last you actually the whole day. And since I've been using this phone, I've actually managed to get it around maybe 85% of a whole day, because I really use this phone a lot. And also you'll get inside a 6GB RAM. You also have 128 storage inside, and you can actually top that up with up to 512 SD card. And this is the dual SIM version of this phone. These phones come with models that take 2 SIMs, and I actually have 2 SIMs inside. As you guys can see there, I have 2 network bars showing right there, which actually allows you to have 2 SIM. As the way I have these guys set up is that one is for data and the other one is for call and message. You can actually play around with those settings. Now, as I say, this guy comes with wireless charging, and this wireless charging supports fast charging, as well as the USB-C or the power charging also will support fast charging, which allows you to actually charge it pretty fast. Now this guy comes with a couple of features that actually will blow your mind away. Now first of all, it comes with power sharing. Now power sharing or wireless power sharing, basically you can place a second phone that supports wireless charging on top of this guy, and it will wireless actually charge. Now for us to test that feature quick, you swipe up from, you go to your notification and you swipe down and you go right there. It says wireless power share. As soon as you click on that, it actually activates you and gives you a couple of information. Now the way it works, let me just put it back on its case, because this guy is really fragile and it's actually really slippery. I actually got the cover as soon as I got the phone, because I was afraid I was going to break it before I could do the review. Now since the wireless power sharing is actually on, I just need to place it like that. Now let me grab the iPhone SS Max, and as soon as I place it on top, it starts charging. Like, this is actually something that definitely most people are not gonna forever use, but it comes in handy in those situations when you are out and about. Let's say you have a smartwatch that supports that, you will be able to charge it. Or if you have a friend's phone that needs a little bit of juice just to make a couple of calls, it actually also gonna come really in hand. Now that's wireless power share that these guys come from. I actually thought that this being the budget version of the line, it wouldn't come with this feature, but it actually came with the feature. Now let's test the fingerprint reader. Now I've set 3 fingers. Normally I set these 3 fingers here to read, so let's see how fast this thing is. Again, this guy also comes with face detection or face unlock, which I really didn't set that up because I really don't think it's that secure, and I always prefer fingerprint unlock in devices that support it. So let's try it and unlock it quick. And boom, it unlocks. It's actually pretty fast if you press the button, because let me try the first way, which is by not pressing the button. It's actually going to realize that the finger is there and it's going to unlock. So without pressing the button, it takes a bit of time. The other feature that this guy comes with is the ability to share to Instagram right from the camera. Let's just jump into it and I'll show you guys the different modes that the camera of this guy has. As you can see there, the first mode is the Instagram mode. You also have the food mode, you have night mode, you have the panorama mode, you have pro mode, which is actually similar to the features that Huawei P30 Pro has, which I also made a video about that. If you guys missed that video, link up here. So you also have the live focus. This is compared to what Apple has. They call it portrait mode, which this one you can adjust the focus while you are taking the picture or even before you took the picture. The way this works is like you will have your Instagram mode here on, and when you snap the picture, it will ask you if you want to actually went in straight, or then I can actually just post this. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram and yeah, check out my daily stories and like my photos that I post on my timeline, and you can post straight to your stories, share. One other feature I really liked is when it comes to taking selfies. So if I raise my hand like this, it should take a selfie. And there, selfie. But for now, this was just my initial video on the Galaxy S10e, which I'm currently using in conjunction with the iPhone XS Max. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have to choose between which one I'm going to keep for now. And I was actually thinking that for a change, I must actually just go to the Android side of life, of things. Let me know what you guys actually think down in the comments down below. And this is gonna be it for this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.